Hi students, this is Suchadatta teaching economics to class 11 and here I am with the 9th chapter and the name of the chapter is Environment and Sustainable Development. Let me start with the journey of mankind from the primitive age to the modern age. From the age when man used to pluck fruits from the trees, and now the age when man has food not only produced in the fields but also various other types of foods which are produced in the industries and factories. An age when man used to hardly wear any clothes. It used to be the skin of the animals or the bark of the trees. And now when we talk of so many fibers, synthetic, nylon, cotton and so on. At that time when the man's shelter used to be a cave or under the tree, and now we talk of such modern homes that we cannot even imagine what kind of homes the mankind has made. So this development or this story of mankind, the journey of mankind from the primitive age to the modern age is indeed a significant development. But all this development must have had certain good and bad points, certain positives and certain negatives. You've seen all the positive points, the development on the roads, that is transport, communication, foods and everywhere. But the most negative part of this development is that it has reduced the resource endowment for the future generation. We have limited the resources for the coming generations. There has been extraction of the resources to its fullest, which is indeed not a very positive sign.